Before this video starts, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Getting right into this recipe, I have 2.5 cups of all-purpose flour, and to it I'm adding my baking soda, baking powder, and salt. In my mixing bowl, I have 1.5 sticks of unsalted butter, blending it with my 2.5 cups of baker's sugar. Mixing it in well. I'm going in now to scrape down my bowl, and I'm now going to go in with my extract, my flavorings. I'm adding 1 teaspoon of coconut extract and 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract. Turning up the speed just a bit to get it mixed in. I'm now going to go in and scrape down my bowl. And I'm now adding my eggs, my 4 eggs in individually. I'm now going to go in and scrape down my bowl. I'm adding in 1/4 cup of sour cream. Sour cream really helps to add moisture to your cakes. Here you see me mixing together my 1/2 cup of coconut milk and whole milk, and to it I'm adding a teaspoon of coconut oil. I want this cake to be really moist. As I add my wet and dry mix, I'm adding it in intervals of 3, starting with my flour, alternating between the flour and my milk mixture. And I'll end with the dry mix. So as to not to bore you, I have skipped through until the end. And here you just see me adding the last bit of my flour, scraping down my bowl before I go in for my final mix. All right, looks like our batter is ready, and we're going to go ahead and pour it up. I'm greasing my cake pan with coconut oil and my cooking spray as well. We're going to smooth it out and give it a shake to remove the air pockets. Now, because I knew that this cake would cook a little bit differently than my other cakes, I decided to drop the temp to 300 degrees. And this is still how brown that it turned out. So you want to be careful with that. It's a little bit darker than I wanted, but we're going to let it rock. So now we're moving over to make our icing. And for my icing, I'm using coconut extract, I have some butter extract I'm using, vanilla extract, I have 8 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 teaspoons of coconut cream. I'm going to go ahead and mix all of this together, and then to it I'm going to add my powdered sugar. And I'm using 3 cups of the powdered sugar. Now, if you want your icing to be a little bit more stiff, then you would add more powdered sugar to give it the texture that you're looking for. And as far as for my pineapple, as you saw in the beginning of this video, all I did was added a little bit of brown sugar to it and let it cook down really low. And I'm going to use that to top off my cake. And that's just an extra step that I decided to take because pineapple goes really, really well with coconut. So I thought those 2 flavors would do exceptionally well for this cake. And I gotta tell you that I was not wrong. This cake turned out to be so delicious. I actually ate a whole slice, and my son raved about it. So he gave it a thumbs up. I gave it a thumbs up, and I hope that you will too. So this is our coconut bundt cake. Alrighty guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed watching this video. I have enjoyed hanging out with you, and I hope to see you again soon on the next video. Until then, you guys stay safe and take care. Shalom.